So we've got a VW Golf here. Gentleman's taken advantage of our special offer. They bought the car just recently, and the roof was pretty dirty. They took a chance on it and bought it to us, and I think it's paid off. It's a lovely car. They've taken advantage of the offer, which is it gets the special wax, which is a 3-month wax on the paintwork. And they bought it with the view that they're not going to be able to go on holiday, so they're going to have some fun in the sun. So the Cabriolet hood reproof has been done, and it's had the 2-year nano coating, as well as the drains have been flushed, and we do the neoprene rubber condition has been done. So how lovely. It still has its crease lines, but you know, that's a little bit like your hand. You know, you've got those crease lines. But if you were to have sand in your hand and keep doing that, it would wear through. And the same thing applies to the roof. If they would have had grit in the roof, which it did have, and then keep folding it backwards and forwards, of course it would wear through. And there's some of the wear lines. But it's lucky enough we caught it in time. So it looks rather wonderful. Hopefully they can get down the coast in it.